Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is May 6th, 2025, and here are our top stories. Local AI images, AI regulation, AI for science, AI education. Local AI images. With current graphics cards, creating impressive AI-generated images has never been easier. For those with a gaming PC equipped with a modern NVIDIA card, tools like Comfy UI allow you to craft and edit images locally and at no cost. These tools come with a user-friendly graphical interface and are supported by a vibrant community that provides ready-to-use workflows combining multiple modes. Whether you're a beginner looking to generate images, scale them, or retouch areas on a Windows machine using open-source models like HyDream, this is achievable. Additionally, Magic Quill offers an alternative for image editing and can be easily installed with the AI tool browser Pinocchio. AI regulation. OpenAI is taking a central role in the AI landscape, with its models powering Microsoft's Copilot and Apple Intelligence. This integration means that over 95% of desktop computers will soon have AI capabilities readily available. Microsoft's Copilot operates with an OpenAI service on the Azure cloud, while macOS and iOS redirect many complex Siri queries to ChatGPT. This setup allows OpenAI to gather extensive data, text, and images without compensating users, placing them ahead in the AI race. In Europe, there's a call for regulations similar to those in place for browsers, granting users more choice and promoting fair competition. AI for science. Anthropic is offering up to $20,000 in API usage credits each month through its AI for Science program. These credits are available to selected researchers who meet specific objective criteria and pass a biosecurity review. Eligible applicants include individuals 18 years or older and research teams, though applicants from countries such as China, Russia, and Iran are excluded. Anthropic reserves the right to reject applications if rules are violated. More details and the terms of participation can be found on Anthropic's website. AI education. Starting with the school year 2025 to 2026, artificial intelligence will become a mandatory subject in all public schools in the United Arab Emirates, covering students from kindergarten through 12th grade. According to Bloomberg, this initiative aims to teach students fundamental concepts, ethical considerations, and practical applications of this technology. The educational reform's goal is to prepare young individuals for a technology-driven workforce. This new curriculum is part of a broader national strategy designed to strengthen the UAE's position as a leading hub for AI research and application in the Middle East, as reported by the state news agency WAM. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.